Hi everyone, this is Tracy at Mitten State Flips. We are back with another video of the unboxing from the, what was it, Charleston, West Virginia unboxing. Still lots to go through. When I poured this bag out, there were so many tangles that I had to and most of it came from these, I don't know, someone got rid of their crafts. But there are a ton of these going on. So we'll get through these ones first. These will all go into crafts. The beads are cute. They're big, chunky. You got glitter ones. Yeah. So anything that goes into crafts is $1. Okay. This one is actually cute. This is different than the rest. It's got a heart toggle, same size beads. That's a nice choker. So we will do $3 on that one. That one's pretty. And we have this baseball themed one. This one's going to go into crafts. Okay. And then I think there's a whole lot more. Maybe, but maybe there's another. They're themed though. Like this one is 4th of July. And it's got a nice pendant on it. Nice and heavy. So if you don't like this, then you can use it for something else. But that'll go in a craft. This one is a Christmas themed one. Yeah, these are chunky. That one will go into craft. This looks like a coastal one, nautical themed. That's cute beads. Alright, go to craft. This looks like Shopkins. Maybe it is. What does that say? It says TCBB. I don't know, but it looks like Shopkins. But that'll go into crafts. Next we have a football themed one. Lots of beads, or lots of rhinestones missing from this. So that's just going to go into craft. And let's see. Well, that's really pretty. We'll get to this first. Alright. This is, okay. This one's Halloween themed. So we got pumpkins, webs. That's cute. It's going into crafts. Oh, there's a bunch of these. These are so cute. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love these. I think I'm going to hold on to these and sell them at a later time because I really like them. They look, oh, I love them. I love the colors. Look at those. Those are neat. Those are so neat. I don't think they're homemade. I don't know. They're so cute though. Yeah, I'm going to hold on to these just because it's cute. Alright, so this looks like a really bent up Alex and Annie, but I don't think it's Alex and Annie. It shows a lot of where it's going to go into craft. Alright, next we have this. It looks stretched out, and I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, really loose, but it's gonna go into craft. It's $1. Okay, so this actually is probably it probably goes with, I think it was the last video or the video before. It had a lock on a necklace, so they probably keep one and you give to somebody else. So that'll just be $1. This is really, I don't know, it just looks really cheap, and it looks like it's bubbling. Okay. Alright, we got a couple earrings. Alright, we have this plain necklace. There was probably a charm on this. Yeah, but it's just silver toned. I think there's, yeah, it's got a mark on there. Oh goodness. China. I can't read the other thing, but if there's a pendant in here, then I'll pull that out and put it on there. Well, that's a cute Rivoli earring. That's where it goes, points up. It's called Rivoli. They're usually flat in the back though. So that's really pretty. So maybe there'll be a match for that. Hopefully. Let's okay. This looks like a rosary. Yep. It's a rosary. Oh, it's missing something. I feel like it doesn't end there, but that'll go into craft. Yeah, it's broke. Okay, and we have this bracelet. It's metal because it's heavy. You can see that. You could hardly tell with the thread in the black enameled metal. There is a mark on there. It says N with a crown, maybe? I don't know if you can see. Of course, I'm not going to be able to. You might be able to see that. Never seen that. That's going probably just into craft. It's one of those that close up. Well, just $1. Okay, so get a couple of these untangled. Let's get this one out. Well, maybe not. I was going to say, let's get this one out of the way, but it looks like it's, no, it's, okay, well this one is kind of bent, so this is going to go into craft. Just a collar necklace, I think. It might have had a pendant before hanging off of it. But for now, it'll just go into craft. We have this seed bead necklace. Let's move that out of the way. That's a nice green color. That's pretty. Yeah. No markings. And we'll do, $3 on that. Okay. Alright, so we have this necklace here, and they are all plastic. It's really light. Pretty colors though. I think it just shows somewhere, or if it is, maybe it's meant to look like that. I don't know. No markings. Yeah, it's nice. And we'll do $2 on that. Alright. Earring. this is cool. What is that? Is that? Yeah, it's the Steelers. Huh, neat. Pittsburgh Steelers football jersey earring. So hopefully there's a match in there. That's kind of neat. It does have a marking on the back. Made in China. Alright, so there's another earring. Okay, so here we're doing this one. Okay, let me see if I can. Here we go, hitting the camera. And that's cool. Oops. Okay. See if I can get them to lay right. Goodness. There we go. Alright, I'm getting there. Maybe. Yeah. So, I think, yeah, because there's 3 here. And then there's 2 and there's 2. Okay, so they're all there. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. The metal feels really light and cheap. I think it's a pretty necklace. Yeah, it's really pretty. See if there's any markings. I don't know. Oh, that's a big closure. Like a normal size one. I don't know if there's one handy. Of course there's not. Here's one. Like here's a normal one. And then there's this big one. Alright, anyways. I don't see any markings. That's neat. We'll just do $2 on that. It's really neat though. Okay. It's just a kid's bracelet. Going to craft. We got an earring. We have this heart necklace. It's gold tone, but it's rubbing off. I don't know if you can see that. It's still kind of pretty with the patina on there. We'll do $2 on that. No markings. Oh. Okay. I think this is an earring. Yeah, that's a big earring. Okay. Put that aside. Put this one aside. That's a weird earring. Oh. Okay, well I'm going to keep this separate because it looks like it has that green stuff growing on it. Alright. Okay. So we have this necklace here. It's really pretty colors. I don't know what those are representing. They're really chintzy. No markings. We'll just do $1 on that. Okay. So we have this necklace right here. Yeah, it's got a little pull. No markings. Yeah. We'll just do $1 on that one. There's just plastic. Okay. We have this bracelet. It's kind of cute. It's really small though. That doesn't make any sense. No, yeah, I guess. Yeah, it does. Don't listen to me. Yeah, we'll do $2 on that. Here's another. That's a big earring with the cabochon. Faux pearl on top. Well, that's a different earring. I've never seen one like that. Right. a new tag. That probably went to something that I put in there. Ooh, look at the AB beads. I like this light blue color. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's a necklace, obviously. Ooh, those are earrings. Those are nice. I hope I find the match to that. Those are really pretty. There's some earrings there. There's a lot of earrings in this one. Here's another earring. Oh, Santa Claus. Nice. Hopefully we can get through some more stuff in the next 15 minutes. There's another earring. Well, I sure hope there's matches to these earrings, because there's quite a few earrings. There's another cluster. Oh, here's one. Okay. Oh, that's neat. So this is, yeah, this feels real. Those are neat. What is that? See, why does that feel so light? It just feels so light. I don't know how that would attach. This is going into crafts. Those stones are really nice though. And this is really pretty. It's just really light. So that'll go into craft. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. So, oh, those are nice. See how that drops? Those drop really nice. Oops, I'm gonna go hitting it again. That's a really pretty necklace. I like that. No markings. And that one will be $2. This is a very long plain chain. I'm sure there was something on here. This is super long. And I don't see any, oh yeah, there's a clasp. I don't know if that says anything, or it's just wear. No, it's just wear. But that'll be $1. Unless there's a pendant that goes to it, I guess. Oh, here's a bangle. So it looks like homemade. Yeah, it looks like a chain necklace was glued onto this. Because well, I had it. Yeah, right here is where it ends. And it looks doubled over. Yeah, let's go to the craft. Do come across lots of bangles. And I don't sell them very well on eBay. I don't think I just sold one. Nah, a plastic lucite one though. It was older. Alright, so this has a mark. And I'm not familiar with that mark. I don't know what that is. What is that? It's really cheap and it shows a ton of wear. It's like an omega symbol. I don't know. It's gonna go in the craft though. It just shows so much wear. Yeah. Yeah, no. Okay. There's a little sand dollar earring. This is marked. It's got aliens on it. It probably says China. Yeah, it probably says China on it. No, it says 925. And something else, but well, let's check it out. See if it really is. Okay. Well, how about that? It's $9.25 sterling. When you put 18, I'm sure most of you know, but when you put 18 karat gold onto the acid onto the sterling silver, it'll turn it a bright blue, and that's when you know it's sterling. Okay. Nice. An alien ring, sterling. That's funny. We'll set that aside. You can make me an offer on that if you want, but that would be something I would just throw into my sterling scrap to take in. Here is a pendant, and that looks like it has a Mark II on it. Wow, let me look. That one says 925 too. Oh, okay, you see it? There you go. Let's test that, I guess. I'm surprised I'm coming across silver. Yeah, it looks like it. And it definitely is. It's turning blue. Nice. I'll probably just go into scrap too because it's kind of chintzy. It's bent. So I'll just put that aside. Okay. Alright. Well, it looks like there is eyeglass. Oh, here's an earring. Just a plain, I think it's a dyed howlite earring. I'm curious what brought you to this channel, because I watch a lot of jewelry channels. I don't know, it's background noise sometimes, and then when I hear something I'll look over. But do you sell on eBay or Poshmark or anything, or do you just enjoy watching them like I do? Or I sell on eBay too, and Poshmark and Mercari and everything, but I just enjoy watching them, and it's fun to go through them like you're gonna find some great thing. You never know. I mean, I've come across so many things. This is going for $1. And I'm learning so much from, and everyone's been very helpful, so I appreciate that. And I'm, well, some things I'm like, I never even knew they existed. This one's got pretty beads on them. I don't know if they're glass or not. They feel like glass and they're cold. Those are pretty though. That'll go for $2. That's nice. Another one. This one has some sort of hang tag on it. And it's knotted a little. It just needs to be fixed. I'm not going to put too much effort into it. It's got this hang tag here. No markings, faux pearls. That's pretty. We'll do $2 on that. Oh, I keep forgetting about this. I don't know if this is supposed to be. No, probably not supposed to be. Maybe someone tangled it to wear like that. But we're gonna untangle it. Those are nice. Those are really nice. They look two different colors, doesn't it? You can probably see that too, right? They almost look like two different colors alternating. That's really pretty. It's a nice, cool, long necklace. That'll just be $3. It's It's really pretty. What are we at? 25 minutes. Okay. We got time. We had another one of these before. This was, it's so cute with the elephant. This is so adorable. I love this. I love this jewelry haul. So yeah, that'll just be, I don't know, $3. Let's see, what's this say? Viva Beads. There's 3 of them here. These are so cute. I love these. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, yeah, and the hang tag says Viva Beads. Look at these colors. These are stunning. Look at these beads. Those are so neat. Look at that. And they do a twist. That is so cute. Look at this one. Those are so pretty. These are really neat. Oh my gosh, these are so, okay, I want to keep everything. Not everything, but look at how neat these beads are. Huh. Those are so much fun. Oh, that one's called Festival. These are adorable. I love them. I want to keep them all. We'll do $8 a piece on those. Those are so neat. I want them. Can't have everything. Or can I? Just kidding. Here's a giraffe brooch. That's really cute. Super cute. Is it marked? I mean, I don't see a marking offhand, but there might be. No, it doesn't look like it. Super cute though. And we'll do $5 for that. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause this and get more jewelry out. Okay, so grab a few more things out and then we'll end the video after this. Alright, so there's a bunch of bangles. This one's kind of neat. It's held together by a bunch of little ones. So that's cute. Kind of really tough to get, but that's cute. That'd be $1. There's a plastic bangle. It's kind of not very circular. Do you see that? It'll go into crest, but it's really neat. Yeah. We have this bangle. It is marked with an M. Don't know if that's a marking for a jeweler. Oh wait, yep it is. Oh, that's cute. Leah Sophia. Nice. Super cute. So we'll do $3 on that. Cute. Alright. Oh, we have this bangle. This is neat. Did somebody do this? Maybe someone did this. I don't know. Cute nonetheless. So that's $1. We have this. It feels plasticky. It looks old though, doesn't it? It's neat. Huh. That's really neat. Huh. Alright, we will do $3 on this one. Yeah, it might be lucite or I don't know. Can't tell. Alright, we have this chunky bead necklace. It's a choker necklace. This is really pretty. That's really nice. They're really chunky. Hand knotted. That's neat. We'll do $3 on that. Alright, we have this gold tone and silver tone bracelet. I don't see any markings. The stretch is kind of tight. So I'll do $1 on that. Here's an earring. I think there's a match to this one. Possibly. look at this necklace. Someone made this, and I was just talking about these beads. These are the ones I was talking about that are shaped like that. It was quite a few videos ago. This is probably homemade, but it's still cute. So that'll just go into craft. Cute colors though. Someone did a good job. Alright. So next, that looks like lucite. That's neat. The amber colors and the pinks. That's really neat. Okay. Alright, so we have this stretch bracelet. Not bad. Like the bluish faux pearl. It's cute. It'll be $1. Have, oh, that's cute. These birds, an arrow. One bird, jeez. I was looking at it differently and it's on an arrow. It's kind of neat. We'll do $2 on that. And next, we just have 2 left. Oh, this is heavy. This is so heavy. Wow. Those are definitely glass beads. Wow, that's heavy. Why is that so heavy? That's look at those beads. Those are so neat. I don't know if I could wear this, but this is so pretty and nice. Goodness. Look at that construction of this. This is really nice. That is really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. There, that's better. That is so pretty. These do lay nice when they're on you. It's just not cooperating laying down. Wow, yeah. So on this one we will do $10. That's really pretty. Okay. And last, but certainly not least, we have this necklace here. It is marked HY. Any way you turn it. I know there's a word for that. Yeah, that's really pretty. Look at those colors. They're like lavender, plum, and like, I don't know, taupe. That's really pretty. That's really pretty colors. We'll do $4 on that one. Alright, we got through a lot, just so you can see. We did quite a bit. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified when new content is put out. Thank you.